Good morning, children. Welcome back to English online class. Okay, children, open your textbooks, page number 41. Children, now see here, put a right mark for the true statement and the into mark for the false statement. If the statement is true means we have to keep the tick mark. Okay, next if the statement is false means what we have to do is we have to keep the into mark. See the first one, the stranger had a stick in his hand. What the stranger had? Stranger had a stick in his hand. Stranger చేతిలో stick ఉందా లేదా? Yes, stranger has a long stick. So here we have to keep the tick mark. Next, second one, baby, the stranger touched the rock with his hand. The stranger touched the rock with his hand. If the stranger touched the rock, stranger rock ni pedda రాయింది కదా ఆ రాయిని టచ్ చేసాడా లేదు. సో the statement is false. We have to keep the into mark. Next, C bit. Alauddin closed the cave with the rock and went away. Alauddin closed the cave with the rock and went away. Cave ni ఎవరు క్లోజ్ చేశారు? Yes, stranger close చేశాడు. But what is the statement here? Alauddin closed the cave. But the statement is this statement is true or false? Yes, false. We have to keep the into. Next, D bit. Alauddin sold the lamp and became very rich. See here, Alauddin sold the lamp and became very rich. Alauddin lamp అమ్మేశాడా? No. Just he rubbed the lamp only. So the statement is true or false? False. So here what we have to keep, children? Yes, we have to keep here the into. Next, E bit. Alauddin's mother asked the Sultan to give the princess in marriage to Alauddin. See, Alauddin's mother asked the Sultan to give the princess in marriage to Alauddin. Alauddin ki princess nichi marriage చేయమని ఎవరు అడిగారు? Alauddin's mother. ఎవరిని అడిగారు? Yes, Sultan. Is the statement is true or false? Yes, the statement is true. So we have to keep the tick mark. Next, F. Alauddin's place was more beautiful than Sultan's place. See, Alauddin's place was more beautiful than Sultan's place. Yes, the place was more beautiful. No, that's why we have to keep here tick mark. See, again I am repeating, children. At first onwards, A. The stranger had a stick in his hand. Yes. The stranger touched the rock with his hand. No. Alauddin closed the cave with the rock and went away. No. Alauddin sold the lamp and became very rich. No. Next, Alauddin's mother asked the Sultan to give the princess in the marriage to the Alauddin. Yes. Alauddin's place was more beautiful than Sultan's place. Yes. Now see the second Roman. Fill in the blanks. First, A bit. Alauddin was dash with his friends. See here, Alauddin was dash with his friends. What the Alauddin was doing is Alauddin was playing with his friends. Here we have to write the playing spelling. Tell the spelling of playing, children. Is P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. Playing. See here. P-L-A-Y-I-N-G. Playing. Alauddin was playing with his friends. Alauddin was playing with his friends. Second one. The strange man was a. Who is the man? As magician. M-A-G-I-C-I-A-N. Magician. The strange man was a magician. See here, the strange man was a magician. Next, C bit. Alauddin went down the steps and soon dashed the garden. Alauddin went down the steps and soon dashed the garden. Reached the garden. R-E-A-C-H-E-D. Reached the garden. It was more dash than his own place. It was more beautiful than his own place. Here we have to write the spelling of beautiful. B-E-A-U-T-I-F-U-L. Beautiful. It was more beautiful than his own place. Dash became a handsome young man. Dash became a handsome young man. Who became? Yes, Alauddin became a handsome young man. Write here the spelling of Alauddin. A-L-A-D-D-I-N. Alauddin. Alauddin became a handsome young man. Next, F bit. The whole town was full of joy and dash. See here, children. The whole town was full of joy and pleasure. P-L-E-A-S-U-R-E. Okay. Now see first time what I am telling. Alauddin was dash with his friends. Alauddin was playing with his friends. Next. The strange man was a magician. The strange man was a magician. Alauddin went down the steps and soon reached the garden. Alauddin went down the steps and soon reached the garden. It was more beautiful than his own place. See here, it was more beautiful than his own place. Dash became a handsome young man. Alauddin became a handsome young man. The whole town was full of joy and pleasure. Now see, tell who said to whom. First one, if you come with me, I will give you a wonderful gift. Again see children, if you come with me, I will give you a wonderful gifts. నువ్వు నాతో వస్తే చాలా వండర్ఫుల్ గిఫ్ట్స్ ఇస్తానని ఎవరు చెప్పారు? Who said? Yes, stranger. To whom? Alauddin. Here first we have to write the spelling of stranger. Tell me children. S-T-R-A-N-G-E-R. Stranger. Here we have to write the spelling of Alauddin. A-L-A-D-D-I-N. Alauddin. Who said? Stranger said. To whom? Alauddin. See the second one. Baby, what shall I do there? See again. What shall I do there? Who said this one? Yes, Alauddin said. Here we have to write the spelling of. Which spelling we have to write here, children? S. Alauddin. A-L-A-D-D-I-N. Alauddin. To whom? Stranger. S-T-R-A-N-G-E-R. Stranger. Next, C bit. Command me. I am ready to obey. Command me. I am ready to obey. Who said? Jenny said. Write the spelling of Jenny. G-E-N-I-E. Jenny. To whom? Alauddin. A-L-A-D-D-I-N. Alauddin. Command me. I am ready to obey. Who said, children? Yes, Jenny said. To whom? Alauddin. Next, D bit. What would you like me to do? What would you like me to do? Who said, children? Yes, here also Jenny. G-E-N-I-E. Jenny. To whom? Allahuddin. A-L-A-D-D-I-N. Build a beautiful place for me. Build a beautiful place for me. Who said, children? Yes, Allahuddin said. Write here the spelling of Allahuddin. Next, to whom? Jenny. G-E-N-I-E. Jenny. First onward, see here. If you come with me, I will give you a wonderful gift. Who said? Stranger. To whom? Allahuddin. Next, B-bit. What shall I do there? Who said, children? Yes, Allahuddin said. To whom? Stranger. Next, C-bit. Command me. I am ready to obey. Who said? Jenny. To whom? Allahuddin. Next, D-bit. What could you like me to do? Who said? Jenny. To whom? Allahuddin. Next, E-bit. Build a beautiful place for me. Who said? Allahuddin. To whom? Jenny. Okay? Okay, now see, children. Present continuous tense. Now we are going to discuss about the present continuous tense. We have read in the lesson. Here one statement is there. See here, children. A lamp is burning there. This statement is already we read in lesson. A lamp is burning there. It shows an action that is going on at present. What it shows? It shows an action going on at present. We use is, am, are and verb plus ing form. Here what we have to use, children? Is, am, are and verb plus ing. We use is with singular subject. Is with singular subject and are with plural subject. We use am with I and are with you. See here again what we use here. Am with I and are with you. See here one more example. I am going to play. They are going to play. I am going to play. Here they are going to play. And next see the next one. We have also read in the lesson. His daughter was going to bathe. It shows an action that was going on in the past. What it shows? It shows an action that was going on in the past. See here what we have to use here. We use was, were and verb plus ing form also. What we have to use here, children? We use was and were and verb plus ing form. We use was with singular subject and were with plural subject and with you. Another example, see here. They were going to play. See here, children. Here some exercise are there. See, use was or were in the following sentences. Here what we have to use? Was or were we have to write in this, fill in the blank. Okay, first one. I dash going to the marketplace. I dash going to the marketplace. I was going to the marketplace. Next one. He dash reading a short story book. He dash reading a short story book. He was reading a short story book. Next, see bit. You dash playing your favorite game. You dash playing your favorite game. You were playing your favorite game. Next, D-bit. They dash sleeping for 2 hours. They dash sleeping for 2 hours. They were sleeping for 2 hours. Next, 6th Roman. Complete the following sentences using is, am, are, was, are, where. See here. Complete the following sentences using is, am, are. Okay, is, am, are. Otherwise, we have to use the was, or, where also. See here the first one. They dash going to play badminton now. They dash going to play badminton now. They are going to play badminton now. Next, B bit. It dash raining heavy in the morning. It was raining heavy in the morning. It was raining heavy in the morning. Next, C bit. We dash going to attend a marriage party yesterday. See here. We were going to attend a marriage party yesterday. Next, D bit. He dash weeping after losing the game that day. He was weeping after losing the game that day. He was weeping after losing the game that day. Weeping means edavadu annamata. Next, I dash not going to help you if you do not improve. I am not going to help you if you do not improve. See again, I am repeating, children. They are going to play badminton now. Next, B bit. It was raining heavy in the morning. C. We were going to attend a marriage party yesterday. He was weeping after losing the game that day. I am not going to help you if you do not improve.
Thank you. See you in the next class. God bless you, children.